It's Nelson here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop. So the first thing you're probably going to notice is all those flashing LED lights. What are they and what can you do with them? So that is over 1,000 white mini LED lights across the lid of this gaming laptop. ASUS called this the Anime Matrix. Hopefully I said that right. And you can use it to display custom graphics, animations, scrolling text, and other effects across the laptop's lid. You can even upload animated GIFs. It can also react to music that you're playing, so if you're making beats or if you're a DJ, this could come in handy for that. So I was told that this laptop is targeted towards the Gen Z gamers, the ones who put stickers on their laptops, the ones who like to customize all of their gear. It's not for everybody, and of course, you can turn it off. So now let's move away from the flashy lights and talk about the actual laptop. This thing is a 14-inch laptop, and it is a portable powerhouse. For the display, you have two options. You can either get the one that has high frame rate, which goes up to 124 Hz, or you can go with the WQ HD resolution display. The choice really comes down to you. Do you want high frame rate for gaming, or do you want more pixels for productivity? I was told you can get over 10 hours of battery life, and you can charge it with the normal laptop power brick, that ugly brick that people hate. I hate it too. You can also charge this laptop with a USB Type-C cable. It's going to be a little bit slower, but at least it's going to make it more portable, so you don't got to carry around that power brick. The power button right above the keyboard is also a fingerprint reader. As soon as you hit that power button, it reads your fingerprint and signs you in automatically, so you can start gaming or start getting to work. It is powered by the 4th generation AMD Ryzen CPU, and for the GPU you can get up to a RTX 2060, so you're going to get plenty of gaming power in this laptop. I was told that ASUS, they put a lot of effort into cooling with this laptop, not only to make it thin, but to make cooling efficient and to make it quiet. It even has anti-dust channels to slow down the accumulation of dust inside of this laptop, so that's pretty cool. Finally, the last thing I want to talk about with this laptop is the ErgoLift. It's a little hinge that rises on the rear of the chassis, and it allows for better airflow and better typing, and it just looks pretty cool. And if you look carefully, you can kind of see it in action. So that is about it for the Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop. I can't wait to use it in person because I have a 15-inch gaming laptop that has an RTX 2070. It's powerful, it's great, it's a little heavy, it's not very portable, and I gotta have that big power brick. This one is thinner, it's still powerful. So this is my pick for a best new laptop that I saw at CES 2020. I can't wait to show you guys more from ASUS. I'm gonna show you their new headset, their new gaming mice. So be sure to subscribe so you can see that video and plenty more. And if you care about social media, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechGeekNelson.